Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using RAR app on a Google Pixel 6a. So in order to do this, you'll need to get this app, and we've shown you how to get that in our other video. So now let's open it. From here you should see something like this, so let's find the file that we want to unpack, and in my case it's in the CIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar. So now let's click on it. You can either click on this icon right here or just on the pictures.rar. If it's encrypted by a password, you'll need to give a password right now. So let's do it. Here's 3 pictures. Now let's select each of them. Click on this arrow pointing up, and that way we'll enter extraction options. Here you'll be able to change any of the settings. It's not necessary, so let's just stick with the default. Now move to the browse and choose the destination where the files will be unpacked. And for me, I want them in the movies, so let's move them there. Now hit OK again, and your files should be unpacked. Now let's navigate to the movies manually, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.